Hi, welcome to Maths video class 6 chapter 24 and we are on exercise 24a question number 6. Okay. So in the given figure PQR is a straight line. You can see the figure PQR is a straight line. If a angle SQR is 75 degree, if angle SQR means this angle is 75 degree, and then find PQS. So if this angle is 75 degree, then find this angle. So this is given 75 degree. Angle SQR is given 75 degree and you are supposed to find SQP or PQS. Okay, angle PQS you have to find. So before, you all know that, or you might not be knowing that this is a straight angle. So this complete is a straight angle. So what is a straight angle? What is the sum of straight angle? Sum of straight angle in the sense, if I'll add this angle plus this angle, the sum will be 180, should be 180 degree. Okay. So for example, this is a straight line. So the angle, this angle is 180 degree. So if I make lines such, if I make such line segments, so this angle plus this angle plus this angle will add up to, should add up to 180 degree. Okay. For example, now see. So this angle 1, angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 will be always 180 degree. So here also see, I can draw many. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 should be 180 degree. Okay, this is the rule. That why the measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Okay, the same thing we have to follow in this question. We know that now the sum of, since PQR is a straight line, so angle PQS plus angle SQR should be 180 degree. The reason should be given very clearly, since PQR is a straight line. Why it is a straight line? Because it is given in the question PQR is a straight line. So PQR is a straight line. So angle SQP plus angle SQR. So this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so I have written this here. PQR is a straight line. Angle PQS plus angle SQR or RQS, one and the same, is 180 degree. Since PQR is equal to 180 degree, angle PQR is equal to 180 degree, because PQR is a straight line. So angle PQR is also formed. Okay, you can see here, this is angle PQR. This is angle, straight angle. So I have written angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. So angle PQS plus angle SQR equals to 180 degree, but PQS plus SQR is given in the question 75 degree. You can see here SQR is given 75 degree. Okay, so substitute value of SQR 75 degree. You know, now let PQS be in the left side and transfer plus 75 degree will go to RHS. It will become minus 75 degree. We have done this in ratio and proportion, find when we used to find value of x. Yes, transposing. So angle PQS is equal to 180 minus 75 degree. So we have transposed this plus 75 degree to RHS. So it became minus 75 degree. So PQS is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Same way, next question, next sub question, angle PQS is equal to 110. Angle PQS is equal to 110. Find RQS. So now this time PQS is given. Angle PQS is given. What it is given? 110. So this angle is given 110 this time, and you have to find out this. Procedure is same. This plus this is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So angle PQS plus angle RQS equals to 180 degree. PQS is given 110. Find angle RQS, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle RQS angle RQS is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So angle PQS is equal to RQS is equal to 70 degree. Okay. So this is the way you have to substitute and get the answer. So now you can see here extra questions I have given, children. Extra questions from the figure, find value of x. So what you will do is, this is a straight line, so x plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. So what will be your first step? X plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree, then find out transpose 120 to RHS. Similarly here also, x plus 160 equals to 180 degree. So see the next question. In the given figure, AOC is a straight line. So you can see here AOC is a straight line. If angle AOB equals to 50 degree, you can see here angle AOB is equal to 50 degree. AOB. So this angle is given 50 degree. Then angle COD, you can see COD 25 degrees, and AOE is right angle, so that is called as 90 degrees. So three angles are given: AOB, COD and angle AOE. Okay, so this is not mentioned, but AOE means this sign shows it is 90 degrees. So this 1, 2 and 3 angles are given. Okay, these two are not given. So let's see what is asked. Angle BOC is asked. So where is angle BOC? BOC, this angle is asked. Okay. So if you'll see this figure BOC, I have to find out. So angle BOC, so 50 is given. So if we do 50 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because AOC is a straight line which is given. Since AOC is a straight line, AOB plus BOC, angle AOB plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. So same way we have done here. From the given figure, you can see how I have written AOC is a straight line. Then what is given from the given figure, AOB plus BOC equals to 180 degree, which I explained just now. Since AOC is a straight line, so this has happened. AOB plus BOC equals to 180 degree. So 50 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because value of AOB is given from the, you can see value of AOB is 50 degree. So substitute, instead of AOB, substitute 50 degree plus angle BOC equals to 180 degree. So angle BOC is equal to 180 degree minus 50, means transpose this 50 degree to RHS. So 180 minus 50 is 130 degree. Okay. So question number 2, if you will see what is asked. Question number 2 is find angle EOD. So if you see the figure is very important because you have to take everything from the figure EOD. So this has to be found. So now we have found this. Now this only one. Okay, so this has to be found. So what you will do, children? Now you know that AOC is a straight line. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Since AOC is a straight line, angle AOE plus angle EOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Here this plus only two angles were there. So this plus this is equal to 180 degree. Here if you will see, there are three angles, this and this. So these three, sum of these three angles equals to 180 degree. So I have written these angles here. Substitute the angles. AOE is 90 degree, then this we have to find out, and 25 degree equals to 180 degree. Everything is given. You can see here AOE is 90 degree and this COD is 25 degree. So angle EOD is equal to 180 degree minus 115. Now from where this 115 came? 90 plus 25 gives you 115. So I have transposed this to RHS. So it became 6. So 180 minus 115, 65 degree. Okay. So next is angle BOD. BOD. So you can see obtuse angle BOD. Okay, obtuse means this inside one and reflex means outside one. So angle BOD. So obtuse. So you can see this angle, this angle. So angle what is angle BOC? Angle BOD is angle BOC plus angle COD. This full angle is this angle plus this angle. So BOC we have found just now. So this plus this will give you angle BOD. So if you'll see here, angle BOD is angle BOC plus angle COD, 130. Why? Because we have found BOC just now. So 130 plus COD is given in the question. 130 plus 25, 155. Okay. Now fourth one, if you will see, where is fourth one? Yes, reflex angle BOD. While explaining the concepts, I have told you that reflex angle, what is reflex angle? So in this case, let's see what is reflex angle BOD. Reflex angle is always outside angle. So in this case, now just we have found out obtuse angle BOD. Now they have told to find out reflex angle BOD. So which is reflex? Reflex means outside angle. So this is the outside angle. So which this plus this angle gives reflex BOD. Okay. So angle AOB plus angle AOE plus angle EOD will give you reflex angle BOD, measure of reflex angle BOD. So let's substitute and write down. So angle BOD, sorry, reflex angle BOD, angle AOB plus angle AOE plus angle EOD. Please refer figure. So substitute the value 50 degree, 90 degree and 65 degree. Answer is 205 degree. Okay. Same way you have to find out reflex angle COE. So you can see COE. COE. Now this is angle COE, but in question it is reflex angle, so outside. Which is reflex, outside reflex angle? COE. So this. So what it is? This angle plus this angle plus this angle means angle BOC plus angle AOB plus angle EOA or AOE. So just see, I have solved it. Go through it and write down in your notebook. Okay, and do the homework, read the lesson. Okay, thank you so much and take care.